As part of an advanced driver assistance system, the Genesis GV70 may be equipped with Highway Driving Assist 2 or HDA 2. This system can help detect the vehicle ahead, maintain a selected vehicle speed and distance to the vehicle ahead, and assist with lane changes at highway speed. Highway Driving Assist 2 can only be activated if the GV70 detects that it is driving on a major highway. To turn on or off HDA 2, press the Driving Assist button located on the left side of the steering wheel. Once turned on, HDA 2 will set the cruise speed to the current vehicle speed. After activation, pressing the Vehicle Distance button will then cycle through 4 different preset distances that your GV70 will help maintain to the vehicle in front. To adjust your set cruising speed, press the switch up or down quickly to alter speed by 1 mile per hour. Pressing and holding the switch, either up or down, alters speed in 5 mile per hour increments instead. Pressing the switch in will temporarily pause HDA 2. If you push the switch again, HDA 2 will resume at the preset speed. To check that HDA is enabled, press Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Driving Convenience, and then ensure Highway Driving Assist is checked. If equipped, Highway Lane Change Assist can be enabled or disabled here. Highway Lane Change Assist can help you automatically change lanes when HDA 2 is active and conditions are met. When Highway Driving Assist is activated, you can see its status on the instrument cluster under the Driver Assist view. The HDA 2 indicator shows whether there is a vehicle ahead and the current set distance. When the HDA 2 indicator is green, the system is activated. When the indicator is gray, it means that it is in standby. When the indicator is blinking white, it is showing that you are pressing the accelerator pedal and not the HDA system. The set desired speed is shown here, followed by the indicators for Lane Change Assist, Lane Following Assist, and Lane Keeping Assist. The center of the cluster shows whether there is a vehicle ahead, along with the lanes that are being detected. When HDA 2 is active, note that your vehicle will begin to slow if the vehicle in front of you does too. However, if the vehicle in front starts moving again within 30 seconds of slowing, your vehicle will start to move as well. When HDA 2 is active and you want to overtake a slower moving vehicle in your lane, Highway Lane Change Assist can be used to change lanes and help you maintain your set cruising speed. On the instrument cluster, the green Highway Lane Change Assist indicator shows if the system is ready. When the Highway Lane Change indicator is blinking green, the system is in operating state. When the indicator is in gray, it means that the system is on standby mode. When the indicator is blinking white, it is showing that the lane change has been canceled. You can also tell that Highway Lane Change Assist is ready when the detected lanes become outlined in green. To automatically change lanes when HDA 2 and Highway Lane Change Assist are active and ready, push the turn signal lever down to change lanes to the left, or push the turn signal up to change lanes to the right. A green arrow and shaded area will display as the GV70 exits its lane and changes lanes to the desired direction. To use Highway Lane Change Assist, the turn signal stalk must be manually held down to the first detent position or fully clicked into the second detent position. If manually held to the first detent, once the green lane change arrow appears, the turn signal stalk can be released and the lane change maneuver will take place automatically. If clicked into the second detent, the system will automatically complete the lane change maneuver, but the signal stalk must be manually reset after the maneuver is complete. The system may also cancel the lane change maneuver if steering input from the driver is detected before the lane change is underway. Note that Highway Lane Change Assist requires that both of the driver's hands remain on the steering wheel, and the system detects no collision or blind spot detection risks. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.